Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to the fifth lesson for the third week. This week you are going to be introduced to the several types of expository essays. These are the types of essays. So first, the narrative essay. It tells a story of a biography and a story. For example, when I opened the door, I could see a black cat was sleeping on my desk. She was Betty, my adorable cat. I wish I could be a cat like Betty. So based on this example given to you, okay, you can tell yourself and have the imagination that this is a kind of narrative essay. Second, a descriptive essay. It describes in detail the traits and characteristics of people, objects, events, and feelings. For example, cats are designed as hunters. Healthy cats have white and clean teeth without any chipping teeth. Kittens have 26 deciduous teeth, while adult cats have 30 permanent teeth. So this one is the example for the descriptive essay. The third one is the expository essay. It uses the information to tell a topic, okay, in the form of a topical essay, cause and effect, and also problem solution. Okay, for example, cats are domestic animals and make good pets. They have become the most popular pets in the world. Keeping cats as pets can release your stress in many ways. So this expository essay is your first assessment, which will be sitting in week 6. So next, we are moving on to the last type of essay, is the argumentative essay, which is your fourth assessment, and the assessment is based on the pair work. So an argumentative essay uses the information to argue an issue in order to persuade readers to believe in something, and then it also can be used to review an article, as you will need it to argue with the writer's opinion. Okay, for example, cats are domestic animals, but they still can harm humans. It is because they are designed as good hunters, thus they should not be kept as pets for several reasons. So if you notice, okay, in the last sentence, okay, it shows to you that you can still argue with the author's opinion, because as we all believe that cats could be kind of very adorable pets. Yeah. So if you read again and again the last statement given to you here, you can still argue with the author's opinion, and you can give your own opinion as well. All right. Other than that, these are the types of expository essays, and these are the essays under expository essays. All right. The first one is the definition essay. It explains and or illustrate a word, thing, or concept. For example, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Right. Second, expository essay is a topical essay. It explains the arrangement of people, objects, or ideas with shared characteristics into classes or groups. It is also known as the classification essays. For example, important strategies to prepare for an examination. So based on this example given to you, yeah, basically, but it is still depends on the semester. Yeah, you'll be given a kind of topical essay that you need to write in your test. The third one is the cause effect essay. It discusses the factors which cause a particular phenomenon and the effects of that phenomenon. For example, water pollution in the world. So this one, okay, is the cause and effect essay. Next, expository essay is the problem solution essay. It describes the problems and the solutions for the problems. For example, eating disorder is a serious problem among youth. So when you write a problem solution essay, you need to provide the problem and the solution to the problem. The next one is the compare and contrast essay. Compare and contrast essay is the opposite ideas of a concept or describe the similarities and differences of two subjects from the same category. For example, similarities and differences between futsal and football. So when you write a kind of compare and contrast essay, you need to write in your essay some similarities and also differences and show the comparison between futsal and football. The last expository essay is the process essay. It explains how things, objects, or ideas are made in a sequence order. For example, how plastic is recycled. So when you write kind of process essay, you need to show step by step on how plastic is recycled. This is the essay structure that you have been introduced to in the previous lesson. So all you need to remember is you need to produce a 5-paragraph essay. Alright, okay, which contains the introduction, body paragraphs, and also conclusion. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, for the introduction, you are going to write at about 1 paragraph level, followed by 3 paragraphs levels for body of contents, and the last paragraph is for the conclusions. Before we end our lesson today, and right after watching this video, it is time for a quick quiz to check your understanding of the lesson you have learned today. So as usual, you need to use your phone and scan the QR code. Second, the code will bring you directly to the Google form. And you need to follow the instructions given in the Google form. And lastly, you need to answer all questions. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you again in the next lesson.